What's going on, guys? DANNYCAL coming at you with a quick little video. I just want to make this video to let you guys know that I'm sorry I haven't been posting. I know I took a little hiatus, been gone for almost a year off of this channel. And that was because I had a lot of stuff going on. I did do a lot of fishing throughout the year. However, 2018 was a little bit of a bust. Not all my fault, however. I did film initially, throughout the beginning of the year and up until about maybe late July or August. I went to a tournament up in Quincy, and after that, when I got home, I was editing some footage. My laptop fell, and it had my hard drive attached, and unfortunately, the hard drive crashed, and I lost a lot of footage. And I had been procrastinating on posting a lot of it, so a lot of that was lost. I mean, we're talking about hundreds of gigabytes of data. So I took it to try to get it fixed, and those people wanted entirely way too much. I think they quoted me like $1,300, so I was like, financially I couldn't take that hit, at least not yet. So I kept the hard drive, and maybe one day we'll be able to go back and get that fixed up, and maybe I'll show you guys some of that footage. But for now, I do have some footage that I got later on, and some cell phone, actually this is a cell phone video, but I have to share it with you guys because it is pretty awesome cell phone video. iPhones do a good job anyways, but on this day, me and my buddy Vic, we actually put in over at the Mississippi River and decided to do some drift fishing. We had a tournament coming up that weekend, so we wanted to get out during the week, just try to see what was going on, see if we couldn't find some fish. And boy, did we. That looked like a good one.
Live action. Alright, right. 20.
Heck yeah, that didn't take long. There you go.
Ooh,
oh, that's a good one.
Net. Get that net.
That's a good one. That's a good one there. All right, bring him this way.
Hang on, boys.
Let me know.
Maybe we'll stand right here.
Oh boy, that's a dandy.
Oh, that ain't gonna fit. I got him. Oh, that's a lot bigger than 20, boy.
Oh, dude. That's 70. Oh my God. First fish. Wow. What the hell happened? I guess that thing didn't latch.
Yeah, you didn't have it latch.
Oh my gosh. Dude. Get that fish weighed, release it, and continue our drift. We put some more bait on, drop them down, continue fishing. It wasn't another 5 to 10 minutes later, bam, his rod gets hit again. But this time, he knows it's something big. This thing's just down, staying down. So he's fighting it. I'm excited. I pull my phone out, start recording again, and well, we'll just pick it up from there. So let's go there. Oh boy. Well, he's staying on the bottom, ain't he?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to shut the trolling motor off.
Go ahead.
Wait, if that one's bigger. Nah, he's spinning. Yeah, he ain't bigger. He's big. Oh boy. That is a big one, bro. Holy heck. Yeah, he's a big one. Grab that net. See if I can't one-hand him. Yeah, he's big, dude. He's big.
Yeah, he just realized he's broke.
He just found out he's hooked.
Oh my.
Oh boy. Oh goodness. Yeah,
Live action.
That's some live action for sure.
Here it comes. Oh gosh.
Dude. Oh my gosh. There's number 2. Oh crap. Dude, the head on him is massive. Wow. Take this off so you can weigh him. See what this one goes.
$58.
58. One more try.
57.5, 58.
58 pounder. 10 pounds heavier. All right, that's a good trend. Wow.
Shit.
It is on fire today. 2 fish, close to 100 pounds. 2 fish, 100 pounds. Oh no, yeah. Yeah, 2 fish over 100 pounds. Wow, look at this thing. Okay, let's get some pictures and we'll get them released. That's what you got to do with these big fish right here. Goodbye. Back to the depths. Bye.
Oh shit.
Woo, boy. That's insane. Now.
So as you can see, we had a pretty good day. 2 fish for over 100 pounds. And we actually didn't fish that tournament we were pre-fishing for because I'll see if I can find some footage. But if I do, I'll roll it at the end of this. We had an enormous thunderstorm roll in that weekend that we were on our way to the tournament and we pull into the gas station to get gas and a couple of knickknacks for the tournament because it's supposed to be like an all-nighter. So we pull in there and it's just storming so bad that, you know, we ended up saying, it's not worth it. Let's turn back around, and we went home. So, you know, but we we did pretty good pre-fishing, and that was probably the highlight of the year. Those are the 2 biggest fish that we caught in his boat. I did a lot more fishing, obviously, and I do have some more videos, so just make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe because I will be posting more videos this year. I already got a couple in queue that we're working on, and hopefully you guys enjoy them. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.